How to create a rotating text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start it. Click Shape. Make a shape. Click Text. Write a text. Choose font. Increase size. Increase letter spacing. Click Color. Choose Color. Click OK. Adjust size. Make a 5 copies. Select text layers. Right-click. Click Convert to Smart Object. Click Selection tool. Selection area. Select layers. Right-click. Click Create Clipping Mask. Create a rotating. Select text layers. Right-click. Click Merge Layers. Open Layer Style. Click Stroke. Click Color. Choose Color, then click OK. Fill 0%. Adjust stroke. Click OK. Design done.